This is a Sylviera 14mm UV rated 3x5 shed. It is a man shed where we do our work, put our stuff, garden, and more. What we are going to do is showing you what this shed is about. So if you're looking for a shed that measures 30 inches inside and going across about 55 inches and the height 6 feet, this is your shed for storage. It has a window that you could collect sun while the door is closed. We have light in the unit so you can see what it looks like lit up in low light. It is enclosed and protected on the floor, the ceiling, the walls, 14 millimeters. We did the build, and the build is not that complicated but easy to do, following the instructions step by step as you see in the picture playing. Looking from above, getting out, you have the shed with a lock and mechanism that closes the door for protection of your stuff. It is slanted on top for those winter days when the rain, snow falls off. It is UV coated with the design of a wood grain in gray. Comes in 3 sizes from the company. You're able to store your ladder. Your foldable table. And when ready to do propane. And most other stuff like shovels. Plenty of room to store. For now, we close up, lock up, ready for the next time we need a garden seat for the barbecue, bicycle, kayaks, anything of outdoors, even indoor stuff that is weather resistant can be placed inside. So our shed is all built. 5x3 or 3x5. Metal, aluminum, brackets, hinges, and clear plexiglass window with a lockable option of a hinge and simply grab to open up the door. You could put anything in there on the floor. It has 4 drain hole areas on the corners we showed before. I stand 6 feet tall. The shed's height is 6 feet tall. You can make this a personal room. Put your bike, put your kayak, put anything imaginable inside. The unit does not have a handle inside, so please be careful when the door closes. This is why the hinge is on the outside. You may put the hinge like so the door don't close. Step up and out, strong plastic, UV rated, weather resistant. We'll take a hose and show you the water on the unit. We're not just going to take a bucket and throw it on it. We'll take a hose and show you on the top. Protection in the rain and all on the top. From the front, raining down. Open up. Dry, dry, dry. It will get wet on the inside due to the lip and the opening, but everything else is dry. It is IP rated to a certain extent. It'll keep everything in there the way you want. No, it's not going to fit everything in there. As you can see, the umbrella just misses. But you can store your winter chairs. Rather get dirty and dusty and mildewy, your umbrella folded, and more. There are no shelves. Shelves can be put in with lightweight plastic, not heavy things on. Close up, lock up, and ready for use the next time. Barbecue, bikes, anything imaginable. Stuff that you cannot store inside that's meant for outdoors. Your 5x3 shed. I hope you enjoy this build, this product. It is a shed for all gardens. 14 millimeters, plastic, double insulated with a slanted roof. Fits anywhere imaginable in your yard. Put your garbage, recyclables, and more. Enjoy your product, and thank you for viewing.